How we doing today, fans? It's another beautiful day in the land of Crap Box. Today we got a very special video. Just kidding, it's not very special. We're honestly just doing more cleanup, making things look pretty, it's a safety video actually today.
OSHA certified.
Maybe. Let's not claim that.
Well, I like that you're already getting ready for OSHA by wearing, like me wearing your work floppies.
Always open-toed shoes when you're on the...
They have to be Nike. Nike's the proper one to use.
Exactly, that is the sponsor. Just kidding, no it's not. So all we're doing today really is putting a cage around the engine. I'm putting better bolts in down there.
Wow, really? How's that?
Hooked up the drive shaft. Oh, that's pretty nice. We hooked up the drive shaft, and so hopefully we'll have an engine.
We're also
start.
putting...
And I'd like to have a little complaint, Crap Box, because, you know, we tried to get these high-quality Chinese turbos from across the pond, and they lost it, so that put us back a little bit.
But we got one. Anyway, so fans, we're also putting windows in.
Oh, yeah.
We are, what he means by a cage here, we're making a strut bar, so we're just gonna go from here out to there, and connect from here to there, and it's gonna be sick. There's a GT2 RS over there. It's gonna be lose the Trixie one day. We're also, like I said, putting windows in. We're also putting a little divider back there to block the battery, and Grant is in a mood.
What?
Grant,
No.
are you in a mood?
No.
Can you wear this carb head as a hat?
No.
Please?
No.
Can you tell JP something nice? Give JP a compliment. This is for team building exercise.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alrighty guys, so we have this divider that we basically just glued in place right at the moment. So we're gonna finally fiberglass it in and make it part of the car. So it's somewhat structural, and then we're gonna put the nice piece of very thick plexiglass right above there.
Thick. Wait, are we making another one to save the battery?
Yes, it will go make a separate partition away from the fuel tank.
Oh, partition.
Yes.
Oh, good. JP, what's your opinion on partitions, buddy?
Man, they're pretty part-like.
Sick. JP, we got the fans have another question for you really quick. They want to know how's the weather today on this holy Saturday.
Oh, it's beautiful, fans. Look at this. Another wonderful day in the great state of Florida. Can't beat it. All you northern people probably seething right now in the comments. I don't know what to tell you, man. We're just built different out here.
So fans, Grant is fiberglassing in Big Think. JP has been complaining about cutting the same little corner and edges for the last 2 hours.
I just need this little corner cut, fans. It's just so difficult to get through plexiglass.
Oh, boo-hoo. Let me play you a song on the world's smallest violin. And then I'm fans. I'm the only productive one here, and I'm making an anti-roll bar out of this metal and stuff. Okay, fans, as you saw, I just did some spaghetti welding right here. It's pretty mid, quite mid, but this one turned out pretty crappy as well, but you know. Okay, fans, so JP is still cutting the windows. Grant is cutting the back shield, but we got one of the windows sized in here, and we got the other one sized in right here, and it looking like they're gonna fit pretty good. I'm working right now on making the strut bar. We're gonna start welding it in place right now. We got the welder out. JP is filing down some other of the windows, and Grant here is cutting the back shield here. Grant, how's that going, buddy?
Alright, it's thicker.
Oh, it's thicker. Poor Grant. Oh. JP, how's your job?
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Ready?
There.
Grant, are you looking at the sparkles?
I looked at the spark.
Don't look at the sparkles. Strut bar is now tacked in. Let's make it nice and weldy.
Yeah, because I'm f***ing workman, JP, you asshole.
Since when do you work?
Since apparently I'm getting today.
Hey, Grant.
Yes.
It's a nice bar you made.
John made it.
Oh, Grant, this is all you. I love these welds you did, buddy. Those look good.
Those are all you, Buster.
No, Buster, these are your welds. Look at those.
John, are you not proud of your welds?
No, Grant, you did a great job on these.
Well, I did good, though.
So, fans, as you saw me spaghetti these things together, now I'm making another bar. Can you stop it? I'm trying to film.
I'm trying to make this car work.
You?
Apparently.
The first day you've been here in like 2 months. So, fans, what we're doing next is we're taking these Joneses. Just gonna kind of weld them up to here, like this. Right, Grant? You want it kind of like that?
Yeah, basically.
Rear window, look at that. Grant and JP fit sized this plexi wall in, and Grant is now gluing it all into place here using this caulk. And then he's just gonna seal it around the bottom here. So this is a much thicker plexiglass that's clear, obviously, so we can see through. So then it saves us from the gas tank. And then for me, here up front, we are finishing up front strut bar. We're getting almost done with that. It's getting to be pretty mint. All right, fans, so me, John, Mr. Salami, did some terrible welds. And we got this garbage ass strut bar in. And it's pretty awful. Probably not even strong enough to hold up JP. So what Grant's doing here is he's rubbing adhesive around here. Or right now he's rubbing epoxy, or not, acetone. Right now Grant's putting acetone on the border here, and all of these. We're gonna then put an adhesive down there. We're gonna stick our plexiglass windows in, and then just rivet on each side, and that should secure them in. We're just gonna do that to the 4 back sides. We got some nice plexiglass tint. JP's over here doing the same exact thing. Just rubbing that adhesive in, and it's up to it, brother.
It's not adhesive, it's acetone.
Acetone, whatever. I'm tired.
Yeah.
I'm a dummy.
Dumb.
Silly boy.
So we installed the dividing plexiglass, and we also completed the fiberglass all around there. That's our shifter. It's drying. And then we put in 1 window.
We do have a window in, fans. You guys saw from the little time lapse, we got 1 in.
1 in. We're gonna do the rest of these 4, and then I have another set for these windows.
And it's gonna be sick.
That'll be sick.
But fans, we got a trunk.
Yeah, it's actually a concealed space.
A concealed trunk, and now we have a little luggage area back here.
Yes. That'll be cool.
All right, well, time to continue on. For you guys, it'll be a couple seconds. For us, it'll be a couple days. And like that, the Corolla's got windows.
Yeah. Why are you...
Little stitching?
That's gross as hell.
Yeah, that's partly my fault.
Well, I have another. We'll have that for now. We'll redo that later on. It's not a big deal.
So fans, she has windows. We got some plexiglass in her on both sides. Wow, it looks really good on this side. It looks really tinted. You can kind of see the reflection, but they're actually not too tinted. They're like 40% or 30% or something, but it's plexiglass, fans, so keeping it light. So what else have we done? We have put our shifter on, which is at the right height. Right. It's a little close. The tolerance is there, but it's super sick. We're making a new mount for our radiator that we have welded up with some spaghettis. Because now we decided that we're going to go upgrade, and we're going to get a 4-core radiator for the Corolla, because, you know, twin turb ski action. Got a turb ski on. Grant here is
we are testing it on, trying to get making sure that everything fits on. It does, but the last spark plug on this side, you can't get the socket to fit through to get it out. So I'm gonna have to trim that last little bit, but that's it.
strut bar's done. Here it is.
Bar, it's paint.
We got a new strut bar that we made for the Corolla.
Of course, we're lazy and won't grind the welds smooth, but that's just how it is.
We need to shave down weight, we will later. Welded by yours truly. Inside and out. It seems pretty freaking solid.
Yeah, mate.
We're gonna try to make another connection out here. I think to over here, right? To this?
Yes, hopefully. We gotta see how this turbo turns out. And, But it'll be bolted there, so then we can... Oh, yeah, the radiator's in.
Yeah, the radiator's in. Oh, we got the radiator on. We got the intercooler on. And get this, Grant, you want to test fit the bumper for them and show them how close it is?
Because we actually planned the bumper on
Yeah, so we lowered them because, you know, center of gravity and stuff. But Grant test fitting the bumper. It's tight, but it fits.
It blocks a little ram air, but that's okay.
Yeah, I mean, it'll also protect everything.
It'll protect everything much better.
It's coming together, fans. Just a little bit more buttoning up. Nothing more too interesting. Thought we figured we're going to give you guys another update.
Yes, we're still waiting on our turbo.
Yeah, we're still waiting on the turbo. Once we get the turbo, we'll have a video of us putting the whole boost system together, which will be pretty cool. And a whole bunch of other stuff. We got Bronco content coming soon. We got the engine table coming soon. LS content coming soon.
So much stuff.
Please like and subscribe. We'll have a new video for you next week. If you like this video, get a kiss from Baby Grant.